Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on 1-2 Step. In this video, let's talk about how to hide followers on Spotify. Now first of all, let's head over to Spotify. Now unlike other applications, Spotify unfortunately does not give you an option of hiding those followers. Or nor you can make your Spotify account private. So if you tap on the followers option, you can see there is no option of hiding them. But if you want to hide those followers from a specific person, what you can do is open up the profiles on Spotify and then you can block them. If you tap on block, it says right here, they will no longer be able to see your profile, follow you, or see your listening activity. So that is the only thing that you can do if you don't want a couple of people or a specific person to view your followers on Spotify. But like I earlier said, there is no option of hiding your entire followers list on your Spotify account. So that was the exact video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.